Hi, Dr. Tom. I'm in the process of looking for a primary care physician, but there's internal medicine doctors and family practitioners. How do I choose?
It depends on your needs or preference. Family, internal medicine, and osteopathic doctors all fall into a general category of primary care specialists. A family medicine physician provides medical services to both children and adults. An internal medicine physician provides medical services primarily to adults. An osteopathic doctor can have training in family or internal medicine, but holds a DO degree that is equivalent to an MD degree. A doctor of osteopathic medicine also has specialized in training in manipulation of muscle, bones, and joints as a part of their diagnosis and treatment of disease. They can complete a residency in either family or internal medicine or other specialty. So the choice is yours. Choose a doctor who is competent, compassionate, caring, who communicates clearly, and is conveniently accessible for your health. What's your health question? Visit mylifestages.org for a chance to have it answered on the air.